An endotracheal tube, ET tube, is a flexible tube that is inserted into the trachea, windpipe, through the mouth or nose to assist with breathing. It is a common procedure used in medical settings, particularly during surgery or in critical care situations. Uses of an endotracheal tube. Maintaining an open airway. In cases of airway obstruction, trauma, or paralysis, an ET tube helps keep the airway open, allowing for proper breathing. Providing respiratory support. It enables the delivery of oxygen and control ventilation to the lungs, especially for patients with respiratory failure or difficulty breathing on their own. Protecting the airway. It prevents aspiration of fluids, food, or stomach contents into the lungs, which can lead to serious complications like pneumonia. Administering anesthesia. During surgery, an ET tube allows for the delivery of general anesthesia gases and medications to the lungs. Procedure for inserting an endotracheal tube. The procedure for inserting an ET tube is typically performed by a trained medical professional, such as an anesthesiologist or emergency physician. It usually involves the following steps. 1. Sedation or anesthesia. The patient is sedated or given general anesthesia to ensure comfort and relaxation during the procedure. 2. Visualization of the vocal cords. Using a laryngoscope, the medical professional visualizes the vocal cords, the opening to the trachea. 3. Insertion of the tube. The ET tube is gently inserted through the mouth or nose and guided into the trachea. 4. Cuff inflation. A small balloon at the tip of the tube is inflated to create a seal around the trachea, preventing air leaks. 5. Confirmation of placement. The correct placement of the tube is confirmed using a variety of methods, including visualization, listening to breath sounds, and measuring carbon dioxide levels. Risks and complications. While ET tube insertion is a safe procedure when performed by experienced professionals, there are potential risks and complications, including vocal cord injury. Temporary or permanent hoarseness may occur due to trauma to the vocal cords during tube insertion. Sore throat. Discomfort or pain in the throat is common after ET tube placement. Laryngospasm. A sudden spasm of the vocal cords can make it difficult to breathe and may require additional interventions. Tracheal injury. In rare cases, the trachea may be injured during tube insertion. Infection. There is a small risk of infection at the site of tube insertion or in the lungs. Important considerations. Monitoring. Patients with an ET tube require close monitoring of their respiratory status, oxygen levels, and other vital signs. Cuff pressure. The pressure in the cuff must be carefully monitored to prevent tissue damage and discomfort. Suctioning. Regular suctioning of the tube may be necessary to remove secretions and maintain a clear airway. Weaning. Once the patient is able to breathe independently, the ET tube is gradually removed through a process called weaning. Disclaimer: this information is not a substitute for